It's our friends at YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, it's been a while since we've seen you guys. Welcome to today's vlog. It feels good to be back, doesn't it, buddy? So I'm sorry for the clickbait title, guys. It's the first video of 2019. I'm trying to have fun. I've never used a clickbait title. Obviously, your boy is never gonna quit the ketogenic diet. It is not a fad diet, it's a miracle diet. It has changed my life forever. I've personally witnessed it change so many thousands of lives around the world. I'm here to stay, keto is here to stay, so everybody watching this, keto on. And if you're new to the ketogenic diet, perhaps this is the first video you've clicked on, I've got some exciting news to share with you also coming up here soon. With that said, I'm drinking my keto coffee. Inside this, we've got 1 tablespoon of ghee butter. We've got 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, some heavy whipping cream, and I blended this bad boy up. Cheers. Say what's up. Just say what's up. Big mama. All right, we got Mama Bear in the house for a quick Sawyer update.
Yeah.
Look at this.
She's ready to pop.
She is ready to come out to the world, guys.
She has...
How long do we have left?
11 days, 21 hours, 48 minutes and 36 seconds. But who's counting?
But who's counting? What do you got to show him a picture?
I've got my little countdown app.
Oh, cool.
When she's going to be here.
Yes, we're so excited. The end has been
rough.
Yeah.
I think anybody that's pregnant can vouch for that.
We've said this before, chasing around Paxton does not make things easier.
Yeah, it was definitely easier with Paxton sitting in an office and just taking phone calls than running around after a 2.5-year-old.
Yeah. Well, so now that we are back on the vlogs, we're gonna vlog this journey all the way up until the end. And then
it'll be interesting.
It's the most exciting part, or things in our life right now. I'm smiling giddy just thinking about it. But Sawyer, Monroe, Whitrock, that's
when she's due. Maybe she might come sooner. We'll see.
Carly feels like she's gonna come sooner.
Like
Tell me about your dream you had last night.
I had a dream last night that my water broke today.
While I was filming.
No, you were at the gym with Ken and Max, which are
going to be here soon, by the way. Ken and Max, you'll meet Ken soon, and Max is on his way.
And my water broke, and then I felt bad because I felt like I ruined the video, and so I was like, "You can still film it anyway."
Just do it. Whatever it takes for the vlogs. No, but it's good to be back on the vlogs. It kind of feels weird.
Yeah.
A little bit, but I'm excited to see you guys. Like I said, we have a lot of exciting news to share. So I'm gonna give you a quick update on Keto Quest. Okay, so if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I launched Keto Quest a year ago as a transformation challenge. Now, although many people did transform their lives and get amazing results with that challenge, the fact of the matter is, and the hard reality, the hard pill that I had to swallow was that the majority of people did not. Let me explain. When I first launched the Transformation Challenge, 100 people signed up for the first month, right? They were expected to upload a progress picture after the first month. Of those 100 people, 10 people uploaded a progress picture. Now, I congratulated those 10. I was very excited for them, but my heart went out to the 90 people that were completely lost. My mission in life is to give hope to the hopeless, the people that have just given up, and I want to redeem them and give them the answers. And now I was left with, where did they go? I lost them completely. What did I do? I clearly in my mind did not create something that I thought most people wanted. They didn't need a silly challenge. They didn't need a silly program to follow, some PDF. What they needed was coaching and accountability. They needed me to be with them on their journey. They needed to ask me questions when they had them. They needed me to check in with them along the way. They needed comfort. They needed confidence along the way, and they didn't get that. And so, at the end of the month, they weren't there. And that to me was sad, and I set out immediately on how to rectify that situation. So I have given birth to Keto Quest again. Fortunately, God has put a man named Ken Jackson in my life, and he is a very passionate, very skilled entrepreneur who cares about people. He himself follows the ketogenic diet, and him and I set out to create the ultimate keto transformation system. It includes everything you need to be successful on your journey. First, You're going to get online courses from yours truly. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet. What to eat, when to eat. I'm going to teach you everything there is about ketosis. I'm going to teach you how to test ketone levels. I'm going to teach you how to track macros. You name it, I will teach it to you inside this course. Not to mention, future courses are coming out very soon on carnivore. We got intermittent fasting courses as well. You'll get free access to all of those. So I will teach you how to do the ketogenic diet. But most importantly, I needed to find a way to give the people what you needed most, whether you realize it or not. And what you need is coaching and accountability. The problem is that's very expensive. I charge $300 for 4 weeks of private coaching with me. And the sad truth of that is most people come to me and they say, hey, Jason, can you coach me? I just need a little bit of help. I give them that price and I never hear back from them. And that makes me sad. So what I did was I went out and I found the most experienced professional keto coaches in the industry who I believe care very dearly about you and your results. And I asked them if they would join forces with me to help coach inside Keto Quest. All of them said yes. We are now known as the Savage 7. You will meet them personally very soon. You can also find information about them on ketoquest.com. But a quick message to my keto coach team. I love you guys. We're going to transform lives and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. So what that means to you is you now have 7 qualified, highly professional keto coaches that you can message inside the Keto Quest app. Got a question? Send me a direct message inside Keto Quest. I'll get back to you right away. Need some information about intermittent fasting? Guess what? Crystal Renault is a Keto Quest coach. All you have to do is send her a message. Very simple and easy. Additionally, we are going to be doing live weekly coaching calls within the Keto Quest app. So every week, if you have a question, we can go in depth, live, and in person to help you out. That part of Keto Quest makes me the most proud. That is what I wanted to deliver. So no more excuses why you can't afford a coach, because you can afford a coach now. You will get accountability. Now, what else you need is a strong support community around you. You need to network with like-minded people. You need to be surrounded by positive people. So many people that I've met start their journey and nobody else in their family is doing keto. They're a part of some BS Facebook group that just, the keto police are everywhere and all that stuff. So we designed, thank God for Ken Jackson, our own app. It is our own community. You can message other members of the Keto Quest community. You can actually even see which members of Keto Quest live nearby you. Eventually, you'll be able to set up your own local meetups with these individuals. We already have 100 plus people inside Keto Quest, and the conversation is booming. You can upload food pics. Everything's categorized by topics. Most importantly, once you're inside the community here, once you're inside Keto Quest, you're going to get the accountability reminders. So for example, on the 1st of every month, we're going to be there to tell you to take your progress picture. We're going to tell you when to take your ketone tests, right? We're going to tell you everything you need on your journey, little touch points along the way that are going to help you stay accountable. It is absolutely incredible. So the other 2 very important things that you're going to get as part of Keto Quest is recipes from my boy Keto Chef Max, and you're going to get workouts from me and other Keto Quest coaches. All of that for one price that is not going to stay for very long, because I do realize I owe the people who started Keto Quest almost an apology for not giving them everything they needed to be successful. $27 a month. $27 a month for all of that. Keep in mind, if you think $27 a month is expensive, I charge $300 a month for coaching, and that is what you need the most. So for $27 a month, you get a program and courses, you get your own coach, you get the community, you get recipes and workouts every single week. I promise you, I must raise that price soon, so please take advantage of this. There is a link in the description below to make it even better, because it's hard to trust in this industry. I'll give you a free trial. Sign up for the free trial, jump into the app, send me a message when you have questions for the first 7 days. If you love it, stay with us. If not, I completely understand. At least I tried my hardest to make you successful. But that is it. I feel good, guys. This is something I've worked extremely hard on. For nights. I lost sleep. I haven't worked out in weeks because I've been night and day, all-nighters on this, making sure it's perfect. So please, click the link in the description below, sign up for your free trial, and send me a message inside the app so that I can welcome you into our community and I can help answer your questions. With that said, I'm going to finish my keto coffee. go hang out with Paxman for a little bit before Ken and Max get here.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I want to introduce you to my friend, my business partner, Ken Jackson.
What's up? How's it going?
So him and I have been working long and hard on Keto Quest. I met Ken when I first moved to Austin, Texas, and we met up and had lunch.
Yeah, I
Remember
sent
that?
him I sent him an Instagram, direct message. Was like, hey, saw that you moved to Austin. Let's meet up for lunch. And I was lucky that he said yes.
Yeah, and so we met up and I kind of told him what my vision was. He is a tech entrepreneur, an entrepreneur of all things, a business developer. He just said, hey, listen, I can help you. I'll never forget it. He said, if you can dream it, I can build it. And luckily, I dream big, guys. So we set out from that point forward and we just worked night and day on all this stuff. So why don't you tell me about your keto journey?
Yeah, actually, I started the journey in 2016. I met a doctor here in Austin that prescribed to me the ketogenic diet. For the first 3 months or so, I hit it hard. I was really successful, made a pretty amazing transformation. Along the way, I was looking for information, and so I started to look at YouTube and all kinds of other sources online. That's where I connected with Jason, at least virtually. Really felt like I, matched up and felt like what you were talking about was very practical. And fast forward, I started a business with a couple of partners, and just life got in the way. I fell off the wagon. And so it wasn't until basically, you came through town that we connected, and now I'm starting the ketogenic diet again. And basically the point of Keto Quest, at least for me, is there was a lot that I was missing, just like Jason mentioned earlier. I didn't have the accountability of the community to surround myself and kind of help me get back on the wagon. So all of those kinds of thinking went into creating Keto Quest. And so, I'm so excited to be here with Jason, because I think what we're launching is everything you truly need to be successful.
Yeah, it's been great. We've been working so hard that even myself, I could relate to a lot of people who work those really long hours and they have families and stuff, because I haven't worked out in 2 weeks and I've been cooped up in the office for weeks and weeks, and it is easy to make excuses. And at some points I was like, man, I wish I had a coach to tell me to get my ass to the gym no matter what it took. So it's cool. I'm obviously helping Ken on his journey. He's a part of the Keto Quest community. You can message him inside the Keto Quest app. Link in the description below. Sign up for your free trial. We're still waiting on Keto Chef Max to come. You guys know Max is always late.
Just then.
What up?
Yo guys.
How are you, man?
Good.
Ready to rock? All right, guys, so Keto Chef Max is in the house.
How you doing?
So we are getting ready to go work out. Max, after our workout, is going to create some recipes. You've got a baked egg dish, a single serve baked egg dish, is that right?
Yeah, we got this really cool Le Creuset dish that is single served.
Nice.
So basically we can take like a very small amount of ingredients and put it into one thing and just bake it off and
Cool.
have it for us.
Sounds delicious. We're also going to do what we call the OG Fat Bomb, because that is the very first fat bomb that I ever made for myself. I just randomly threw and stuff together in a pot. This was before like you could go find a bunch of fat bomb recipes. So we're going to recreate the OG fat bomb. We'll give you guys that recipe. Max's recipes are all on ketoquest.com, so go check that out. Bye, buddy. I love you. All right, guys, we are here at Metroflex. I haven't been here in over 2 weeks. I definitely am excited to get back to working out. One thing about me is I can build muscle very quickly, but if I take 2 weeks or more off, I lose it very quickly. So I'm expecting my strength to go down. I'm not gonna focus on lifting heavy today. I'm gonna reestablish the mind and muscle connection, just get the blood flowing, warm my body up. We're gonna get this workout in. I'm gonna feel much, much better. So here we go. All right, guys, so day one. How you feel?
That was exhausting, but I know I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. It was a great workout though.
We got it done. Even myself, I felt it. I'm a little bit shaky right now. Like I said, I haven't been in the gym for 2 weeks, so we played it smart.
2 years for me, so
2 years for you.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
So I'm excited for this guy, but it feels good for me to be back. Max never missed a beat as well. I want to bring this up because a lot of people I know, being the new year, you're in the gym right now, and him and I were kind of talking about a lot of stuff you have to keep in mind. Number one, make sure you keep electrolytes up. That's very, very important. So Ken has to get himself set up with the magnesium supplement. We're gonna get some chicken broth later to make sure the sodium's up. Probably gonna eat avocado today. When you're working out, the electrolyte issue that's already there because you start keto is even more important, guys. So make sure you focus on that. Chug lots and lots of water all day today, all day tomorrow. That's gonna help with the sore muscles because you will be sore tomorrow.
Oh, we got the gallons. So
The soreness is your payment. That will go away, right? In the beginning, even I'm gonna be sore. Taking 2 weeks off, I will be sore tomorrow, so I'll be chugging water. It's a good sign that it's working, but you won't be super sore forever. So if you're just now starting off at the gym and you're sore and you're like, that sucks, just take your time, bear with it. But most importantly, I think it's very important to like be proud of yourself. We got it in.
Yeah, day one.
Day one.
Too many more.
Yep, and one day we're gonna look back on this day, we're gonna smile, and it's gonna feel good. It might not feel good today, but the future is bright. So we're gonna go back to Ken's house. We'll see you there. Hey Kai, what's up? Hey, what's up Kevin? How are you? Hey. Chugging down water here, guys. I want to bring something up real quick. So I haven't worked out in the last 2 weeks. The first thing I noticed, my appetite plummeted. I could almost go all day long without eating. Now that I'm starting to work out again, the first thing I expect is my appetite to go up. A lot of people, when you just started working out, since it was January 1st, New Year's, I've been getting a lot of questions like, hey man, my appetite's going up. And the problem is people are afraid to eat. That scares them. I'm here to tell you, you must eat. If you want to build muscle, if you want to make your time in the gym worthwhile, you must listen to your body. You have to eat. Keep your metabolism sped up. That's the quickest way to build muscle. The faster you build muscle, the faster you burn fat. So, Max, what are we having for our post-workout meal, my man?
We got the lazy keto breakfast. Everybody knows this one. It's 3 eggs, an avocado, and 2 slices of bacon. What we did is I did some sunny side up eggs, and we sliced on the bias some green onion and sprinkled that over the top with some sriracha dribbled over the top. We took some Maldon salt and put that on there as well as some everything but the bagel seasoning.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, it's been a few hours and we are now trying what I call, actually Max calls the OG fat bomb. So when I first started the ketogenic diet 4 years ago, I just threw a bunch of stuff in a pan together. There were no like fat bomb recipes and things like that, like I mentioned earlier. Max takes everything the basic things that I do, and he makes them much, much better. So he reinvented the OG fat bomb. And I want to introduce you to Miss Cambry.
Hi.
Doesn't she look good in her new glasses? Cambry is gonna try her very first ever fat bomb. You know what fat bombs are?
No.
Okay, so they're like, on the ketogenic diet, you gotta get a lot of fat, right?
Yes.
So this is a very quick way to get a good amount of fat in your diet, but most people use it because it satisfies your sweet tooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like you don't get sugar anymore, so you kind of use this.
Yep.
You asked what was in it, Max, tell her what's in it.
All right, so we have coconut oil, butter, almond butter, and cocoa powder.
Yeah, that does not sound that bad.
Yeah, so give it a shot. Here, I'll let you have that one.
Well, that tastes pretty good.
Doesn't it? And the
Yeah.
texture's good. Would you know
Melts
it was
in your
keto?
mouth, right?
No, I probably wouldn't.
Yes. All you kids out there. See, we got to make fat bombs and stuff much better than Snickers bars, especially when Max makes them. So Max, you actually put this recipe on KetoQuest.com.
Yeah, it's on KetoQuest.
So you guys can go to KetoQuest.com, get this recipe. We are actually getting ready to go do our first ever KetoQuest coaching call. We're going to be doing that live. You're probably going to miss this one, but we do them every single week on Thursday. So when you become a member of KetoQuest, you get to be a part of that call. So we're gonna close it down here. It felt good to be back, guys. I will see you again tomorrow. As always, this is what we do. Keep up the good work and much love. Yes!